Good morning, YouTube. This is Sue of Pursue the Dream, and I'm in Pahrump, Nevada. It's a funny sounding word, Pahrump. And I'm at the home of Dan B, 1954 YouTuber, who's also been instrumental in some of the big van builds. So if you are familiar with Tamara's schoolie rebuild, he did that. He worked on that. And I think he was down at the van build this past year helping people. And he volunteered, offered his services, my lifestyle sustainable by making some really vast improvements, which I'm going to show you in the next few videos. Starting with this one today, where he installed a new Maxxfan on the back of the van. What do you see? What do you see down there?
Nothing yet.
Huh!
Looks like they did have some insulation in there.
That's me.
Okay.
I put in a couple inches.
So what I'm going to do now is put a rod or something in here
To see how far.
to see how far
Yeah. Where the bar is.
The cross member is.
Good plan.
Let me go get a stick or
I'd never met Dan before, and though I followed him or behind him like a fifth wheel, he put up with my stupid remarks and is a very patient man. I'm going to attempt to show you what he did step by step.
You're not going any place where it rains, are you?
I guess not. And because he's been doing this for others and working on his own vehicles for years, he knows things I would have never thought of. Like this little bridge to fill the gap. I learned a lot of little tricks. This one would have come in handy had I known. That's just an electric cap. Instructions tell you to put the fan in the open position when you install it. Oh, so it tilts forward, and that's why you can use it while you're driving, huh?
And it also has two brackets that hold it up in position. I think the Fantastic fan only has one. So the bracket itself is weak for, you know, going down the road.
Yeah, yeah.
The Fantastic fan, you have to close it.
I just assumed all fans you had to close, but this one says you don't have to.
Yeah.
That's neat.
You're going to like this.
Oh, I'm already a happy girl. Because it's the back half of the van that you just can't get air into. But this will help circulate it everywhere.
Yeah, you open up the front window and you turn the fan on, it'll
just pulls it in.
right in.
Yeah. To run the new wire, Dan used a pipe snake, like plumbers use. Taped the new wire onto it. First we got it through there. Taped the new wire on and then we pulled it through.
Can you pull on that?
I was going to say, you want me to pull?
Yeah, pull on that tape.
Here she comes. Yep, it's in.
Oh, we got a long ways to go.
Well, I mean, it's on this side.
Okay, pull some more. Pull it.
Okay, that part's in.
Okay. Now we have to try to feed it through the other way.
Down here. The inside frame was really deep, so Dan had to cut it back.
That'll do.
Look at that, perfect fit.
Do you want the screws in the front or on the sides?
I don't care.
I don't care either.
Put them where they are.
Very good.
Voila! We have a fan. Maxxfan on the van. And so that's what today's video is about. And there'll be a series of 3 or 4, maybe 5, showing you various things Dan did and how he did them. And hopefully this will be helpful to you. It's been immensely helpful to me. And I certainly appreciate everything he's done. And he's pretty modest. He doesn't tumble, except so. I'll sing his praises. He's a hell of a nice guy, extremely generous. While I was here, he had a couch surfer in the house, and he had a RV in the driveway from Boondockers Welcome. So there are people coming and going. He's got a couple people coming in today from Germany to be in one of his RVs. And he just does it out of the goodness of his heart. So it's nice to know that there are people like that. Of course, I think all people are good. But often we don't operate from the goodness. So anyway, this is Dan's build on Pursue the Dream.